Supervised Machine Learning Algorithm for Credit Card Fraudulent Transaction Detection, a Comparative Study, Support Vector Machine. We have delved into the meaning of credit card fraud and the fraud detection system put in place to curb it. This video is going to explain briefly the approach and the machine learning model used to train and test our data. Fraudulent activities are causing significant losses, which motivated researchers to find solutions to detect and prevent fraud. Several methods have already been proposed and tested. Let me introduce you to Rotala Silosha and his colleagues. They published a paper titled Credit Card Fraud Detection Using Machine Learning using the same credit card dataset from Kaggle. They realized their class feature, which contains fraud or no fraud, was imbalanced. They used whale optimization techniques, WA, technique to balance the class. They went further on to use different machine learning models like decision trees, random forest, and logistic regression to compare and contrast which one has the best predictive performance. The performance evaluation was based on accuracy, sensitivity, specificity, and precision. Jude Agboka also want to use the same dataset from Kaggle. What do I need to do? Well, I need to follow the data preprocessing steps taught by my lecturer Al-Khafri, which I talked about in my previous slide. That is data cleaning, integration, reduction, and transformation. I have done the preprocessing steps. But my deduction feature is imbalanced. Rotala Silosha and his colleagues used the whale optimization techniques, WA, technique to balance the class. I want to use a different approach. Let me think for a second. Eureka! I have an idea. I will use SMOTE. Synthetic Minority Oversampling Technique. Wow, we have a balanced data set for training and testing now. Now I will like to use a supervised machine learning model. For my work, I will use a support vector machine. The main motive of this paper is to use the SVM approach to tackle credit card fraud detection, since other methods are too expensive and need large amounts of data to predict.